Hi everybody, I would like to do a DIY log of my Rheem water heater. The issue I have with this water heater is that it wasn't producing water, so I went online and did some research, and one of the easiest, quickest check is to see if the pilot light is on. And when I came out here, it was during the daylight time. There was no flame, and it appears the pilot light was off, and that would explain why the water heater wasn't working. Pilot light didn't come on, so it essentially shut itself down. And in order to, for this particular water heater, in order to relight the pilot light, it's pretty simple. You see this knob right there? All you have to do is turn it counterclockwise and have it lined up with the pilot indicator there. And then you're gonna press that knob all the way in. And while you're pressing that knob, you're gonna want to press that piezo-electric button there quite a few times until you see this blue light indicator comes on. When that comes on, it's a signal that the pilot light should have come on. And when I did this during the daylight time, I did see the blue light blinking, and then I went to this window here to verify that the pilot light is on. I didn't see it, so I thought, oh no, it might be other more complicated issues within the or maybe around the pilot light area. So I stopped what I was doing, went inside, did more research, and then later on it was darker, it was in the evening. I came out and I redid all the steps, and same thing, I saw the blue light here, blue light indicator came on, but this time when I looked through the window, I looked carefully, and this time I was able to see the pilot light. So it was just because earlier when I was trying to fix this, I didn't see the pilot light because it was too bright outside, and it was masking the pilot light. So when I did it in the evening, it was sufficiently dark enough where it allows me to see the pilot light. And once I saw the pilot light, I realized that the issue is okay, it's fixed. The pilot light came on, that's the critical part. And once that's on, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is that knob right there, turn it clockwise to wherever temperature settings that you want to set it at. So right now I have the indicator pointing to the hot setting. I think that's enough for our family. You can get hotter than that. You can go A, B, C, and very hot. Very hot is you're just gonna use more energy, and you may not need your heater to be set at that temperature. So I set it at hot. I think that should be enough. I don't think I need to go more than that. I think it's a good balance between not too low and not too high. Somewhere in the middle. I think that's all we need. Okay, so yeah, so I'm glad that I was able to fix my pilot issue with this Rheem water heater, and I didn't have to call anybody. I thought it might be a more complicated job when I didn't see the pilot light coming on during the daytime. So I thought, oh no, it might be something to do with the pilot assembly inside there, and I thought I might have to remove this piece and pull everything out and look at the pilot assembly. Maybe it was dirty, it was corroded, or had some kind of build-up within the pilot assembly. So I thought I may have to do that, but I was fortunate that came out in the evening and tried again and saw the pilot light coming on, and yeah, and then everything from there works well. So very glad didn't have to call anybody and save myself quite a bit of money. All right, thank you, bye.